It is amazing, right? You can see that it actually can animate a still photo. Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Welcome back to this channel. Today I have something interesting to show you. Recently I saw on TikTok somebody actually animated a photo. And when I say animated, it's not just that kind of superficial animation. It is very realistic. Any photographs with a face on it, you are able to animate it. So I did some check and then I found that it is using this website called MyHeritage. Of course, MyHeritage is not specifically to a website that you can use it for animating photographs, but recently under this family trees you can see that it has a new feature called animate photos. Click on it. Now I'm going to show you how to animate photographs. Let me upload some interesting photographs so that you can see how the process is to quickly animate a still photograph. First, let me choose one that is interesting. I guess I want to choose Albert Einstein because he's a very significant person, which most of us will know who he is. Okay, let's try to animate Albert Einstein. This is just a stock photo, and now it's analyzing it, and the end result will be this. It is amazing, right? You can see that the eyes movement and the smile, a slight smile, and the head movement is all animated via AI. By the way, you can download this video just by clicking the download link, and it will automatically save as a MP4 or MPEG-4 version. Okay, let me animate one more photograph. This person is very familiar for Singaporean, and is none other than Yusof Ishak. He is the first president of Singapore, and now we are animating him. For Singaporean, you might see this person on Singapore Notes. And let's wait for it to get animated. Just a few more seconds. That's it. You can see now. And there it goes. This is a little bit freaky if you think about it, but that is how powerful this software is. And by the way, this is just a trial for a few photographs with a watermark over here. And if you have tried a few times, you are encouraged to subscribe with a fee to MyHeritage. So if you have some interesting photographs, please set up an account, use it, and enjoy the end result. But something I want to share with you is it might get sometimes it might get emotional because just for your info, my mom passed away more than 10 years ago, and during that time video is not so advanced. We don't have a video recorder, and I don't have any video on my mom. But then I use this technology on an old photograph of her to animate her, and it actually looks like her when she moves the eyes and the facial expression. This is something that you have to take note because some people might not be able to handle such emotion where the loved one, especially those who has passed on, are being animated and come to life. I mean literally on the photograph itself, come to life in animation. It might create that kind of emotion outburst on them. So please use this technology carefully and enjoy it while it lasts. And that is it for today's short video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video. That's it for today. I see you around.